Hello friends, my name is Radia. Today we are going to learn how to create a number guesser in Python. So first, click new file. We'll name it guesser.py. So after that, we're going to write import random. Then we're going to write while true set while true my num equals to random dot randint 1,10, and we're going to write print my num After that, we'll save it, and then we'll go to terminal and click new terminal. So then we're going to write Python guesser.py. So then it's going to be writing a bunch of random numbers. And we won't even be able to keep track of the numbers it's writing. So now we will have to write. So first we're going to tag this. So now we are going to write. So now we're going to write I and P is equal to input. What is my number? So now we're going to add a space here. So now we're going to write if I and T, I and P is equal, and then we'll write 2 equals, then we'll write I and T, my num. Then now we're going to write I and P is equal to input try again. Now we're going to write else. Print correct. So instead of that, so if you want, so could also write if int in int is more than int, my num is going to print too big, and else it's going to print, and we're going to write elif instead. So we're going to write int elif int is less than int my num. Now we're going to write print too small. That will save it and we'll create a new terminal again. After that, we'll just press the up key, then we'll see that it will say Python guesser.py, and now it's going to say what is my number. So I'm going to write 1. Now it says too small. So we will also have to add else print correct. Now we'll save it and then we'll just press up again. So now it's going to say what is my number. So if I get the answer correct, it's going to say correct. But if the answer is too small, it's going to say too small. And if the answer is too big, it's going to say too big. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell.